So the production machines generate a massive amount of data, like temperature, speed, downtime, even the output, etc. So traditionally, this information is even logged manually or stored in isolated systems, and with only a summarized data will be sent to the SAP system. And once it reaches the decision makers, often it will be too late to act upon it. Instead of customizing SAP, this can be handled like this. Flood of machine data need not to be sent to the SAP system, and we can keep the core SAP as clean as possible, and still we can give the manufacturers a real-time insight they need by using the SAP BTP or application built around SAP with IoT and event-driven integrations. So how it works is like, the machine sensors continuously send raw data to the cloud-based IoT platform where it will be analyzed real time. And this IoT application detects inconsistencies like machine downtime or slow production, and even the output variances. And only these critical events are pushed to SAP via APIs, and it will trigger maintenance orders, production adjustments, and even quality checks. So this approach will prevent SAP from being overloaded with unnecessary data, yet ensures production and maintenance team have instant visibility to act quickly. So this is a great example on how the manufacturers can modernize operations using IoT, seamlessly integrating with SAP while keeping a clean and upgrade ready core.